All right, so let's get into this. This is such a cool thing that I do every single year. Look, one of the problems with my situation, and it could be the problem with your situation too, is there's no good flea markets in my area, right? So I had to resort to different ways to sell stuff out of storage units. And this is one way. This is something that nobody does. I've never seen anybody do this, and I think that it's such a killer way to sell. I made like a lot of money. I think it was over $10,000 in those 4 days just creating my own flea market, and it's easily done. So I'm going to show you some clips and different video here. Keep in mind, this is an option for you guys. If you're going to buy a good amount of storage units, and during the summertime, or at least maybe you're in an area where there's good weather all year round, you should utilize this. So long story short, I have a piece of land here that I contacted the owner, and all he said was I just needed to trim the grass, and if I trim the grass, I can use the land for 3 or 4 days to have my flea market. And so I created my own flea market. I just contacted somebody that had a bare piece of land and asked if I can utilize the land to sell my items, okay? There is so much bare land out there, so I know that you guys are watching this. You may drive by bare land all the time. You would be surprised at the amount of owners that will allow you to do this, because it's such a cool aspect to create your own flea market, especially if you don't have one. It's almost like a big garage sale, but it's on a massive piece of land. So let's show you some clips here and give you guys some ideas.
Guys, this is where we're going to have the massive garage sale. If you guys are new to this channel, I'm Wade's Ventures, and we buy a crap ton of storage units. And if you don't have a flea market or an auction house or anywhere for you to sell your goods, guess what? You got to find an area. You got to make your own thrift store. You got to make your own flea market. You got to make your own area to sell this stuff. So this is what this is. This is where it's going to happen. This is where a bunch of stuff is going to be sold that has been bought in storage units that aren't necessarily going to go on eBay or Amazon. It's going to go right here. We're going to have a massive sale right here. Huge sale right here. And so this is where it's going to go, guys. I want to show you before and after. Right now we're mowing the lawn. I'm going to weed whack a little bit with this guy, and we're going to get the grass down as best as we can, and then we're going to have the sale right here. And yeah, so this is it. Little tip, I own a warehouse. The owner of the warehouse owns this land. So in this case it wouldn't work, but what you guys could do, if you need an area to sell a lot of stuff, just drive like on the main street, find like an open land area like this, and see if you can negotiate with the owner like a split. Maybe you give them 15% or 10% of your sales, and they can let you use the land to sell your items for a weekend or 2 weekends. Anyways, just an idea. If you see bare lands, or a lot of times these guys want to help too. So, like in this case, I'm not paying him anything. All he said was, mow the grass, and the land is yours. That's what's happening. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna give you a before and after.
All right, so that is pretty crazy. So let me show you exactly. I'll kind of fast forward to save time here, and give me 1 second. All right.
It's a Wednesday.
All the grass is
Setting up some tables.
is cut.
See ya.
There's my little guy.
Is that a cat?
Oh, I think we need to fast forward a little. Oh, here we go.
But yeah, we put this bad boy up today. It is, what, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I've been here for about 4 hours moving stuff. Mama Ventures is here, Grandma Ventures. But, yeah, look at this thing. So it's big. We're going to put another tent up, guys. We're going to use the box truck as well. We want to try to shield some of this heat from the sun, so this thing is up, looking pretty nice. Yeah, so this is it, and the grass is cut. Looking real good over here.
All right, so we cut the grass, we put our own tent up, so let's go ahead and go a little further here.
We're only going to need about 50 more, right?
Alright, but We're gonna build some tomorrow with Landon.
Yes, we're gonna build
Get
some.
to meet Wade's brother.
Yes, he's gonna be here tomorrow.
There's Grandma
So
Ventures.
yeah, we got a bunch of tables, guys. This is just one little mountain of stuff here. We got another 50 of these suckers.
I'd say at least 10 more.
Yeah.
Huge piles.
Oh, it's a Thursday. Man, I can't believe it's already been 3 days and we haven't even put anything out yet. It's great.
All right, here we go.
From the house. And Grandma Venture says we have 2. So we have this one. We have to unload. This is full. I'll show you right now. You want to hold the camera?
Sure.
Oh, this is the opposite.
Wrong side.
Oh yes, we did do this side. Man, I'm gonna have to take the bolts off of this one, or I'm gonna have to take the lock off this one. See, these are rated 8, guys. You can get some that are rated, you know, based on like the strength, and these are rated 8, so they're not the best, but they're really hard to get into. And there's 2 of them. Anyways, we'll show you that in a second. We'll do an update, but yeah. Oh, that's Landon over there.
All right, guys, so at this point, we're just doing a bunch of loads onto the little plot there. And we're just stacking it to the left here, getting all the stuff out there, and then we'll start putting it together.
Massive, but then we have all this. You can see they're cutting down trees right over there. Look at the little dinosaur chilling. Hey! Look at this. Holy moly. I'll keep you guys updated.
Look at all that. So you can see, you can create your own flea market. Just get a bare piece of land, guys. You can do it. You don't have to rely on other flea markets if you don't have any in your area. That's no reason during the summertime and during the nicer weather you can't create your own.
All right, progress time. What time is it? 3:15? I don't know. So we put up this tent. This is going to be the cache tent, guys. A lot of people are asking, how are you going to keep people from stealing? So I'm putting up these posts, right? Of course, this isn't foolproof, but it kind of funnels people in. So the idea is they park out here, and when they pay, they'll pay here, and they'll go out to their car, and Mom will have a desk here. And throughout the length of this, stick, caution all the way through. Of course, I left a little opening, just get the box truck out, since we had to take another 5 loads. But yeah, this is going to keep people, hopefully, from going into here. I'll put one more caution, and it'll funnel people through this area when they go through here. That's kind of the idea. Got Ashley over there. My brother's over there. Mother-in-law's over there. And these are the signs that we're making. So we're actually custom making them, pretty easy. But these are nice signs. So doing it right, guys, and keeping the cost of this whole thing down. Keo! He's gonna bark at me, watch.
All right, so you guys kind of get the idea of the setup. So let's go here, and I'll show you what we did for the tables
that I had to get. So I've got 5 more loads I have to get. So we're gonna try to bust that out tonight and work through the night with the halogen light.
So you guys see over here to the right, those are actually just slabs of wood that we use for tables. So we, obviously, if you want to create more tables, you can use just slabs of wood
to put everything away. So that's kind of the idea. And we're also going to get, there's $2 boxes you can buy at Home Depot to lift these up, even though they would pretty much be fine. But I've got about 1,000 pairs of shoes, literally. So, I mean, this thing's going to be crazy. But yeah, that's kind of the idea. Not much else going on the Wade's Ventures camp here, but got the signs, got this bad boy up. It's about 6, and the box truck is over there. We're going to unload it way over there, and so yeah. And we're continuously putting the electronics in here.
You always want to put the electronics where they're not, you know, getting the sun and heat on them. All right, so let's go ahead and fast forward a little bit. We'll go to the very kind of end of this video.
And
you can see everything's laid out. This is day 1.
Oh man. Alright guys. I'll keep you updated, okay? Screen's a little foggy. Let me unfog you. Anyway, I'll be back. We'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Alright guys, this is it. What time is it right now? It's like 4 p.m. on a Friday, the first day that we decided to do the crazy flea market ourselves, which is a lot of work, but here we go. So I'm going to count this, show you guys in piles, and I'll count this and show you guys in piles. The day's not over, we've probably got another 4 hours, but I figured we'd do a midday count and see kind of where we're at. Not bad, we need to put in more signs, but let's count this up, see what we got. Remember, our goal is 15,000, which is kind of a high goal. So, alright, here we go guys. So that's our total right now. Just got a...
Alright, so that 2,200 was our first day total. And keep in mind, this was on a Thursday, so it wasn't even during the week. Anyway, so this video is kind of long. I just wanted to chop through here and show you guys, look, if you don't have a flea market near you and you have a lot of inventory you want to get rid of, sometimes garage sales won't work because you have HOA or you have a small area. Just find bare land, and the name of the game for the storage unit business is what? Networking. So find bare land and just talk to people, talk to the owner, and see if you can use that. Explain what you do. A lot of times people want to help and they won't require anything from you. You'd be shocked how many people have bare land that aren't using it at all. And if you just, offer to mow their lawn or just be nice, they'll let you use it. It's crazy. So this is an option. Build or make your own flea market, guys, like we did. It was on 2-acre land, and it's just another way to get rid of stuff. Remember, the whole purpose of this course is to teach you about storage units, but more importantly, give you different angles of ways to sell stuff as well that I've personally done. So that being said, make your own flea market if you have to, and enjoy this course, and let's go on to the next video.